I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to change the Android keyboard language. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Android device. Step 2. Scroll down and tap System or tap General Management if you are using a Samsung Galaxy phone. Step 3. Tap Languages and Input or Keyboard in this menu, then select Keyboard Apps in the next menu. Step 4. Choose your active keyboard such as Gboard or Samsung Keyboard. Step 5. Tap Languages and then select Add Keyboard. Step 6. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find and select the language you want to add. Step 7. Select your preferred layout for that language and then tap Done. Once the language is added to your keyboard, switching between languages while typing is simple. On most Android devices, you can tap the globe icon next to the spacebar or tap and hold the spacebar itself to bring up the language picker and select your desired language. If you want to change the primary language used across your entire device rather than just the typing keyboard, return to the Main Languages menu under System or General Management and drag your preferred language to the top of the list. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.